So state which of the following represent group data and ungrouped data. So number one, they list out like this. It will be in the type of ungrouped data. So when it is in table, so be careful with your table. You look at the result. Your data is number of 8. You are analyzing on number of 8. So frequency is 2 means here is 10, 10. So frequency 5 means here 11, 11, 11. So this still is ungrouped data because we didn't categorize the data. We just put it in table only. When we have too much of data, let's say we have 200, you can't list it 200 row marks like that. So better we put in table so that we can read it easily. So that one is not group data yet. So how is group data? It will be like 20 to 24. Means our data about 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, they already grouped together inside here. It will having 4 of it. Quantity of 4. So this one will be group data. Number 4, this one will be ungrouped. Number 5, group. So interval. When we are talking about interval to group the data, not necessary to be like this, 20 until 24, then the next one, 25 until 29. It can be in the interval of like this. Or it can be in the interval like 10 until 14. Then 14 until 19. Or 18. Then it can be 18 until 22. Then 22 until 26. Alright, so what can you analyze with this group data and this group data and this group data? So this group data, it will be skipping from 24 to 25. Betul? Then I want to ask you, if we having the data 24.5, where should the data put in? We can't identify whether we want to put in this group or this group, right? So previously, what you learn all your data is about discrete data. So that's why when you're doing SPM statistic 20 to 24, they will jump the next number. 25 to 29, they will jump the next number. So most of that, when you see this, it will be more suitable doing discrete, because discrete means you are getting your number 24, exactly 24, or 25. So when you're getting 24, I know to put here. When you're getting 25, I know to put here. But now your data is not just discrete only. You can having continuous data, just like volume. When you're getting number 24.5, where you put, so it's not the correct way for us to categorize like that. Alright, so group data, it can be like in this form or this form or this form. So when you notice here, 10 to 14, 14 is not included. The next group is 14 to 18. 14 is included. So when you're having a continuous data, let's say 14.5, where should it go? Then we can categorize to this. So your scope now is getting wider. You're not just dealing with discrete like SPM. Now you're dealing with continuous. So your interval form may be like this. And what we give here, the group data here, size is same, 20 to 24. Size same, you can see 4, 4, 4, 4. Then 4, 4, 4, 4. So when you're going higher, you will getting the group is different size. Alright. So what's mean by different size? Means like this one I can until like that. So the size of the group change. You can see this is size of 4, this is size of 6, this is size of 2. But in your syllabus, we're still dealing with the same size of the group. Alright, so you're going to learn more in your next level. Okay, so from here, our purpose is you need to identify your ungroup and group. So when you're doing group data, you bear in mind your data not just writing in interval 20 dash to 24, it can be in interval less than equal less than. Also consider a group. Okay. Boleh ke?